Hi, welcome for our online training sessions. This is Chandra. I am from RTL Online Trainings. So, in human capital management, whenever we are hiring an employee, we get some issue like language. Moment when we are hiring an employee, by default, we get here global name language. We are getting Spanish here. So, where exactly this problem means? Where we are trying to set up this and where it's getting inherited. Generally, when we log into the applications, we will choose the language that is different. Sometimes what happened here also the language will be different, right? That is because of while logging into the applications, we are going to choose that language. So let me show you now here. Okay, got some issue. Let's select to.com. Now we can go for. See, here we will choose the language. This is generally application language. This is English. We select English. Of course, the moment when we log into the application, we'll be able to see only English language here. Even if we go to FSM environment also, we will see that. Okay. So here everything is English. Then why we are getting this Spanish option the moment when we try to hire an employee? Why we are getting Spanish is the enterprise level. You might have selected global name language is Spanish. It's because of that, maybe we got. Let me show you. Go to FSM and search for the task here. Manage price CM information. Click action. Scroll down. Here we can find global person name language is E, means Spanish. It's like, yes, E means Spanish is there. Let me change. I think it is A, American English, right? Let me search. Yeah, US, American English. Let me update this and go for submit. We have configured US language. Let me go to navigator, my client groups, select new person, hire an employee. I can find American English. Okay. That's how we are supposed to uh, specify the global name language. Task name is manage enterprise HCM information. Very important setups we do in manage enterprise HCM information, like global name language, person number, employment model, right? Employment model, position synchronization, user account creation, transaction console, or worker number, employment model, right? Person number generation, initial person number duplicate check, also the user account creations. It automatic user account should be created or not. Position synchronization. And we also see the workforce structure minimum search characters and the transaction console. Do you want to go for enable the transaction console information or not? This transaction console, it comes from here, right? We go to navigator. The moment when we go to tools menu, two things we find right here. Okay, let me just. We find in tools menu two things. One is security console. Another one is here transaction. Security console, we know that is for user management and role management. When it comes to the transaction console, it's indirectly approval configuration, approval rule setup. And if any transaction is performed, I want to know the status of that transaction. For example, we hired an employee. And when I search in person management, I'm not able to see that employee record. Then I want to know where it's got struck. Is it waiting for approval from some recipient or any employee management hierarchy? Who is that employee? Or it went for the management hierarchy, but manager is not there for the current user. So what exactly the issue? I wanted to know for that transaction what happened. Then we see that everything in the transaction. Okay. So like this important setups, we are going to do it in this task, manage enterprise HCM information. So this is one of the thing we'll do it from here. Thank you. Subscribe for YouTube channel, online trainings and placements. If you are looking for a best training in Oracle Fusion Cloud, training as well as placement, subscribe for this and get the best opportunities in cloud environment. Thank you.